Wakey, wakey! It's time for trimester 2. Good morning. This is well, it's about 6:30 at my house. 6:30 in the morning. I just woke up and I wanted to say, you know what? You don't have to worry about how you look on Zoom. I would just love to see your face. So I got up and I just, put on some clothes and combed my hair, and here I am. And it's not perfect, but here I am. So I hope that you will occasionally turn on your camera on Zoom because I miss you and I want to see your beautiful faces. Trimester 2 is a new beginning. So I hope that if you experienced a rough start in trimester 1, that you will give trimester 2 a new chance. Some of you, unfortunately, saw what it's like to try to dig yourself out of a hole. That's an idiom, dig yourself out of a hole. You weren't literally in a hole, but to dig yourself out of a hole means you got really behind and then you had to try to get out of that hole, meaning you had to try to catch up on all the work that you were missing. And it's going to be a lot easier, I'm sure you found, if you just do your work as it comes, rather than getting so far behind that at the end of the trimester trying to catch up to everything that you missed. So I hope as we begin this trimester, you'll really stay on top of things. Especially, we only have 2 weeks until winter break. And so if you can get everything done leading up to winter break, then you can have a nice, relaxing 2-week vacation with no work. So try to stay on top of your work as we go for these 2 weeks before break, okay? So with our new trimester, we're going to start a new unit. The first unit was all about helping people and how much help is too much, and should we help people? Are there certain cases when we shouldn't? We talked all about help. This unit, you can see here, Unit 5, is going to be about this essential question. Do people get what they deserve? And a couple of quotes here to get us started. The rain falls on the just and the unjust. Injustice anywhere is a threat to justice everywhere. So as we go through this unit, you can be thinking about justice in your own small piece of property that we have here in North Liberty or Coralville. So what are some things that happen that seem just or unjust here where we live, throughout the United States, and even throughout the world? Okay, so we'll be talking about like bullying in our own school. We'll be talking about Black Lives Matter. If you watch the news at all this summer, that was a big piece of what was going on in the United States. And even throughout the world, I know a lot of you know in maybe your own home country or a country near where you grew up where there is some injustice. There are things going on that are not fair, right? So that will be our theme for this unit. Now, if you go to Canvas today, you'll see there's a new Canvas page. So you might need to click, if you go to your dashboard, don't click on the one from last trimester. So look through your courses. You want ELL trimester 2. So you see here there's a T2. So when you click on that, it'll take you to our new trimester's Canvas page. And then if you scroll down, it says make a copy of this week's Google Doc. So we have a new Google Doc for the week. Make a copy of it. And then the first thing you want to do is share the document with me. So click on that share button so I can see what you're doing. You're going to want to change the name. Instead of copy of your name, delete copy of, and put your name, okay? So today what you're going to work on is trying to understand what it means when I ask you what is the theme of this story, and then you're going to try to determine the theme of the story. So there's an ed puzzle for you to watch today, and this is just a little visual to help you answer one question, okay? So like I said, try to get your work done today. Try not to dig yourself into a hole that you then have to try to climb out of, right? Get things done as we go through the trimester. So do this ed puzzle today and answer this one question at the bottom of the page for Tuesday, December 8th, and that's it. And then tomorrow, Wednesday, I will see you in the Zoom room, okay? I also wanted to say, if you need anything from the food pantry or if you're in need of some warm winter clothes as it's getting colder, please send me an email or a message through Instagram or WhatsApp, and I will do my best to get you whatever you need, okay? Because I know it's getting colder, and I know you've been home now for 3 weeks, and so that's a lot of money for your parents to spend on food. So if you need anything, just let me know, and I can get you some stuff out of the food pantry and drop it off at your house, okay? I hope you're doing well. I miss you. Please turn on your camera sometime in Zoom this week so I can see your beautiful face. Even if your hair isn't done, I don't care. I just want to see you, okay? I miss you. Take care, and let me know if you have any questions. All right? I'll see you soon. Have a great day of your second trimester. Woo!